सुप्रीम कोर्ट का दोस्तों एक नोटिफिकेशन आया है, जजमेंट दिया है कि गिविंग कॉन्ट्रेक्चुअल एम्प्लॉई सेम स्टेटस एज रेगुलर एम्प्लॉइज अमाउंट टू गिविंग प्रीमियम टू आर्बिट्रेरली सिलेक्टेड प्रोसेस। मतलब कॉन्ट्रेक्चुअल एम्प्लॉई को भी सेम मिलेगा जो रेगुलर एम्प्लॉइज को मिलता है। सो द कोर्ट सेड दैट इफ distinction between the regular employees and contractual employees are not made, the same basic concept of hiring through various mode and in the different capacities would lose its purpose. So the Supreme Court has observed that the person who are employed through a contractor and have come to work are given equal benefit and the status as a regular employee. मतलब जो कॉन्ट्रेक्चुअल एम्प्लॉय होगा उसको भी वही स्टेटस मिलेगा, वही बेनिफिट मिलेंगे जो रेगुलर एम्प्लॉय को मिलते हैं। एक नया जजमेंट दिया है। इट वुड अमाउंट टू गिविंग ए प्रीमियम एंड सेक्शन टू ए प्रोसेस विच इज़ टोटली आर्बिट्रेरली। सो द बेंच ऑफ जस्टिस अशनुद्दीन अमानुल्लाह एंड जस्टिस विपिल एम पंचोली ऑब्जर्व्ड, मतलब द रीज़न वाई देयर आर safeguards in the regular appointment in that there should not be any favoritism or other extraneous consideration where persons only on merit are recruited through a fully transparent procedure known in law. If the person who are employed through a contractor and have come to work are given equal benefit and same status as a regular employee, it would amount to giving premium and section to a process which is totally arbitrarily, as there is no more prescribed in any other contract as how the contractor would employ or choose the person who are to be sent, except for the basic qualification, that is knowledge in the field for A.O.R. Raja Gopala Rao appeared for the applicant, while senior advocate L. Narasimha Reddy appeared for the respondent. Factual background: appeals were filed asserting in the order passed by the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh High Court, by which the appellant has been directed to grant a minimum time scale of pay to the respondent and also the 8 annual grade increments as and when they fall due from time to time. The appellant had engaged the respondent not directly but through a third-party contractor starting from the year 1994. However, upon the change of contractor, they continued to perform their duties and work for the appellant. They had approached the Andhra Pradesh Administrative Tribunal, Hyderabad, seeking regularization and the payment of minimum of the scale of the post, which was given to the regular employees. The tribunal ruled against them and they approached the High Court. The High Court, while the impugned order, has reversed the order of the tribunal. Contention of the parties: the appellant submitted that the High Court has failed to consider the basic issue involved in the present case, which is that respondent were never the direct employee of the appellant, insomuch as there was no such relationship created by the appellant. The only conjunction which the appellant had with the respondent in the contractor who had been given the contract of proving manpower of the appellant had engaged them, and on the basis they were assigned various work to be performed by the appellant, for which payment was made directly to the contractor, and the contractor in turn used to pay the respondent. It was submitted that the contract was given with the significant safeguard regarding the basic right of an employee, inasmuch as it was stipulated that the payment should not be below the minimum wages prescribed by the government from time to time, and further that the statutory deductions contribution would be made by the contractor with regard to such employees, including the respondent. Per contra, the respondent submitted that the stand of the appellant is totally arbitrary and violates the basic constitutional right of the respondent. It was submitted that the beside being discriminatory, it was highly arbitrary as it at the end of the day the respondent had been directed to be paid only the minimum time scale of the pay it is to the regular post their respective courts. That cannot be objected by an employee, much less an employee which is the under Article 12 of the Constitution of India. He said further it was contended that similarly situated person in the other municipalities had been given the same benefit and denying the same to the respondent. In the present case itself would be stand the constitutional requirement of it not being discriminatory. Observation of court का observation क्या था इसके लिए? The moot point of which the issue resolved was the nature of the employment relationship of the appellant with the respondent. The court observed thus a first blush that reasoning seems to be attractive that there was a discrimination as they were also performing the duties was being performed by other regular employees and were required to be suitably paid in at the least minimum time scale of the pay attached to the regular post. However, a deeper probe would reveal that the matter cannot be dealt with in such simplistic way. The test which was applied by the court was whether the relationship which is the direct between the parties is whether manner cannot be differentiated from a relationship which had no direct connection which the two parties who are consenting, but rather the relationship is through a third party which is in the present case in the contractor. So दोस्तों ये सब कुछ उसका जजमेंट का पार्ट है जो कोर्ट ने कहा है. फाइनल कंक्लूजन मैं आपको बताता हूँ. कंक्लूजन क्या रहा? द कोर्ट कंक्लूडेड हैविंग पास द ऑर्डर we feel that sometimes justice is required to be tempered with mercy as a human factors cannot be totally lost sight of. In such view of the matter, we would require the appellant to look into whether the jobs which were being done by the respondent in the background that they have not been disengaged or returned to the contractor on the ground of being unsatisfactory, having uninterrupted service under the appellant for decades can be regularized on post which prima facie appears to be pivotal in a nature. Accordingly, the court allowed the appellant's cause titled the Municipal Council by its Commissioner, Nadyal Municipality, Kurnool District, AP, VPK, Jairam and other. So this is the number of that particular case. Appearance इसमें एप्लीकेंट कौन था और रेस्पोंडेंट कौन था? एप्लीकेंट था आपका AORY राजा गोपाला राव एडवोकेट दूली गोपी कृष्णा एडवोकेट. ये एडवोकेट थे. रेस्पोंडेंट आपके ये थे, सीनियर एडवोकेट थे, एल नरसिम्हा जी रेड्डी थे. तो दोस्तों इस केस के बारे में आपका क्या राय है? तो इसका ऑर्डर शीट था, आप ऑर्डर शीट पढ़ सकते हैं, इसमें सारी डिटेल अपडेटेड है. ये देखिए जो ऑर्डर हुआ था, ये देखिए ये 16 पेज का ऑर्डर है. कोशिश करिए आपको सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन एक वीडियो में प्रोवाइड करने की, देख सकते हैं। ये देखिए 16 पेज का ऑर्डर है दोस्तों। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए बने रहिए चैनल पे, अब आगे भी आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करता रहूँगा। थैंक यू।